Labrador, fox red in color, his muscles ripple beneath a winter coat. The Labrador sits ready to work. The task at hand, a watermark. Launched from 48 yards away, the dummy poses an elite challenge for the canine and his trainer. The command is given, and the dog is off, hustling across the poorly kept lawn towards the bank. But he won't tippy-toe in. This dog can't be contained. His rear legs go, and he springs skyward, falling from the sky into the pond. Now in the water, he can focus on finding his prey. An overpriced two with a rope tied to one end. Defenseless and inanimate, the bumper quickly falls victim to the soft mouth of the dog. The return to the trainer is now all that remains. Back on shore, the dog returns the dummy to hand, dries off, and the Gundog's Cornerstone training once again wins the day.